Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a keyboard lagging problem on iOS 17. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you have opened your keyboard on your iPhone and facing any lagging problem, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, the main reason of this problem is your storage is full of your iPhone. So guys, how can you check this? Simply you need to scroll it below, click on general, and guys click on iPhone storage. And guys, from here you need to check your storage. So guys, if your storage is full, then guys you need to delete some data. And guys, after doing this you need to scroll it below, and guys from here you need to delete apps that you are not using on your iPhone. So guys, after doing this your memory will be released, and guys lagging problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to scroll it below, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys you need to reset your settings. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. So guys, simply you need to scroll it below, and guys if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to reset keyboard dictionary. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed as well. At last, then guys you need to check your software update. So guys, if you have any kind of update on your iPhone, then guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing all the things your problem will be fixed. And guys, then guys you will be shift to new version, that is iOS 17.2 or another latest version. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your Apple Store here. And guys, after this you need to select your gadget as you can see. And guys, from here you need to scroll it below, click on more, and guys you need to scroll it down. And guys, here you need to find keyboard option. As you can see here, simply you need to click on this one. And guys, after this you need to click on call, and guys you need to call at these two numbers and tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.